Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for Tuesday the 12th of May. And today was definitely an interesting day. The market did gap down quite a bit and basically moved sideways. Moved down, chopped around a little bit, moved up, and then chopped around a little bit, and then moved down into 12 o'clock. So it's a very interesting day. Today we made 5 trades and pulled 8.5 points out of the market. First trade was a long off the open. We were able to ride that up a little bit. Then price came down. We were able to get long again. Right up here, we were able to ride that up a little bit, taking profits. And then price started to drop. After it started to chop around a little bit, we got long again. Right here, and we were able to ride that up a little bit, taking profits. Price did come down again. As it was chopping around, we did get long towards the lows here. We were able to ride that up a little bit, taking some profit. And then we kind of just watched things. Price ended up buying up from there, and we did get long down here, and we did take profits rather quickly. His price came up, back down, and then started to, after this move up, go sideways. So it's one of those things. Sometimes you do get some really great movement. You're able to place more trades. And then sometimes you're able to, place more trades, but market doesn't really go that far. Yeah, we missed this move here just because, it started to look a little bit different, and then all of a sudden, a lot of bullishness came in, and price just ended up taking off. It's one of those things. I'd rather, watch price, wait for it to do something, and then jump in, rather than just, I think price is going here, so let me just make this order. Maybe it goes there, maybe not, who knows. But putting the probability in your favor by actually waiting for price to do something and then jumping in, that's the way I like to trade. That's the way I believe is more profitable, just because that's the way I trade. There are a plethora of ways to trade, and there are various ways to make money in those types of trading. I teach one style. I've worked with many traders because their style, they know that it does work, they just are not able to make it work. And that's something totally different. That's me working with them on a psychological level. Yeah, I really do enjoy that. I've studied that type of area for over a decade. It's something that really interests me. I have a lot of fun with it. And most people don't. Hence, most people do not become successful traders. It is what it is. That's just that. But being able to, wait for your setups, take them, and then at the end of the day, walk out with money. That's the objective of trading. Your reason for trading is always going to be different, but your main objective is to walk out the door with money. 5 trades is a little bit much for us, but when it's working, it's working. I always tell people we take about 2 to 3 trades on average every day. So anywhere above that, usually the market's either working for us, or we're just having a difficult day where we're making money and losing money. So, it is what it is. So, hopefully you got something out of the video today. If you want to add to it, or just, put in a comment or something, comments below. You can definitely take advantage of that. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.